Testosterone is the sex hormone responsible for boys becoming men. It spurs the development of male secondary sexual characteristics. One study estimated that 39% of men over age 45 presenting to a primary care provider are testosterone deficient. There are a number of things you can do to increase testosterone naturally. During puberty, increase in testosterone levels lead to the penis and testicles growing to their adult size, increased muscle mass, voice deepening, increase in height, and increased sex drive and aggression. But after puberty, testosterone's work is far from done. It plays an important role in males' health throughout life, regulating libido, erectile function, sperm production, bone density, muscle mass, mood stability, and more. Unfortunately, testosterone levels begin to decline in older men. Starting around age 30, they drop slowly, about 1% per year. A low testosterone level can cause a lower libido, erectile dysfunction, fatigue, weight gain, and a loss of muscle mass, just to name a few. Research shows that there are ways you can increase testosterone levels naturally, reaping the health benefits that result. Hello reviewers, welcome back to our channel. Today we have brought to you 8 natural ways to increase your testosterone levels. So watch the video until the end to never miss a thing. If you are new to our channel and if you like what you see, please consider subscribing to our channel and smash the notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. Our YouTube analytics show that more than 90% of our viewers are not subscribed. Your subscription means a lot to us and encourages us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing if you haven't already. If you are already a subscribed member, please like and share this video so that it could reach a wide range of audience. Now, without further ado, let's get into the 8 natural ways to increase testosterone. Number 1. Improve your diet. Eating a healthy diet can increase your body's levels of testosterone. Why? You're more likely to maintain a healthy weight. Excess body fat converts testosterone into the female hormone estrogen, and certain healthy foods may promote testosterone production. Emphasize on whole foods with a balance of lean protein, complex carbs, and heart-healthy fats such as olive oil and avocados. Skip simple carbs and anything processed, but don't skip on the fats. Studies show that olives and avocados contain oleuropein, a natural compound that has been found to boost testosterone in animal studies. Number 2. Exercise. You can be your own source of testosterone therapy just by engaging in more physical activity. All forms of exercise increase testosterone production, but building muscles via strength training is the most effective. Muscle requires testosterone to build, and once you have it, that testosterone hangs around. Concentrating on compound movements, that is, exercises that involve more than one muscle group, is an efficient way to preserve strength, flexibility, and muscle mass as you age. High-intensity interval training (HIIT) has become a hot topic in recent years. During high-intensity interval training workout, you engage in periods of intense cardio alternated with periods of longer intensity activity. A 2017 study of masters athletes who performed high-intensity interval training workouts found they experienced a small increase in free testosterone. Number 3. Minimize the stress. Managing the stress won't just preserve your sanity, heart health, and relationships. When you are stressed, the adrenal glands pump out cortisol, a stress hormone that decreases circulating testosterone. What's more, High cortisol levels encourage the body to hold on to fat, particularly around your midsection. Remember, excess body fat is associated with lower testosterone. Number 4. Get enough quality sleep. Like sex, sleep feels so good, and science is discovering it's really good for you. Unfortunately, like sex, too many of us feel somewhat guilty about sleeping, believing it's a sign of laziness or a waste of time. But studies show that shut-eye benefits the brain, metabolism, and heart. It's crucial to preserving your health, including your sexual health. Sleep is a natural testosterone booster. The body makes testosterone during sleep, so if you're not getting enough or use of your sleep is low quality, example, if you have trouble falling or staying asleep, you might see your testosterone levels decline. One small study found that men who slept less than 5 hours a night for a week had 10 to 15% lower testosterone levels than when they got a full night's sleep. Experts, including the National Sleep Foundation, recommend that all adults get 7 to 9 hours of sleep nightly, although individual sleep requirements may vary. Number 5. Avoid drinking excessive amounts of alcohol. Research shows drinking alcohol in excess can cause a decline in testosterone and an increase in a female hormone called estradiol. How much is too much? Although no recommendations have been specific to preserving testosterone, experts advise moderate drinking to reduce your risk of cancer and heart disease. What's moderate drinking? No more than 2 drinks a day for men and 1 drink a day for women. Number 6. Avoid xenoestrogen and estrogen-like products. Certain chemicals are known as endocrine disruptors and have been found to affect hormone level negatively. These include BPA, a common element in plastics, and parabens, or synthetic compounds used in personal care products like shampoos, toothpaste, lotion, and deodorant. They act as xenoestrogens or synthetic estrogens. Their composition is so similar to estrogen that the body thinks they are the real thing. That shows things off balance in the body. Choose products that don't contain them. Number 7. Take natural testosterone supplements. Testosterone replacement therapy is available by prescription, but you may want to investigate natural supplements first. Studies show these may be able to help boost your testosterone level. Vitamin D. Some studies show that supplementing with vitamin D can improve sexual function and increase testosterone levels in men who are vitamin D deficient. The truth is, many Americans have low levels of vitamin D. If you are experiencing symptoms of low testosterone, you may want to ask your health care provider to test your vitamin D levels as well. Magnesium. Magnesium plays a crucial role in several body processes, including bone structure and muscle function. Some studies have shown that magnesium supplementation can be a testosterone booster. Zinc. Some studies have shown that zinc supplementation can improve semen quality in subfertile men and increase testosterone levels in zinc-deficient men. Number 8. Inspect prescription medications. Some prescription drugs have the side effects of inhibiting testosterone, including certain treatments for high blood pressure, reflux, and depression. If you are experiencing symptoms of low testosterone and suspect your medication may be responsible, talk with the healthcare provider. That might be the case. It also might not. In any event, don't stop taking any prescribed medications without consulting a medical professional. Well, dear viewers, as you can see in the video, we have compiled the most interesting tips on how to naturally increase your testosterone levels. Which one is your favorite and why? Let us know in the comment section. By now you know that our channel is full of inspiring videos which you can apply daily in your life. If you like our content, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash the notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. Thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.